Another Mass Pro exclusive. You know what I'm saying? Hip hop. One for the money, yes sir. Conscience is under pressure. I come up with these rhymes off the top of my mind. Fresh from the press, I'm the best MC. I got the recipe. Y'all niggas less than me. Y'all niggas less than weak. You can't fuck with me. In the room, you just be stuck with me. And I'ma beat your ass. I'ma interrogate your ass. I'ma expose the hoe in you. Yeah, nigga, you and your crew. Mass Pro, stay true to the motherfucking art. True to the heart. That's how I did when I started. And I'm gon' finish it. I'm gon' be here. I'm putting in the work. Yo, longevity is what I'm trying to search. Y'all niggas know what it is. I got that work, nigga. When I say work, I got them verses and them beats that you need. If you need a beat from me, then holla, pay the fee. Yeah, I'm the man getting grands, Benjamin Franklin's, Lincolns and Cadillacs. Welcome to Southern Pimpin'. One for the money, yes sir. Conscience is under pressure. I bust like soda cans in the freezer. Y'all, I need y'all to put your hands up high, wave them side to side. Yes, I'm ready to ride for the piece of the pie. I'm trying to get it, by all means, gotta get this cream. No longer a dream, I'm about that action, make it happen. I'm rapping and stacking, why these people clapping and snapping? Yo, I do this for the cause, I do this for my dog, I do this for Duval.